And so I play in our church worship band, and I don't use pedals except for my wah pedal. I don't generally use pedals when I'm recording at home in the studio, because I use amp modelers and things like that. But when I do play in church, I use because I play directly into the DI feed, and so I don't have a lot of pedals. I've got about 5. That's very basic. However, I've always struggled to get a pedal board situation that's easy to carry around and to set up. So I came up with an idea to make a portable, foldable pedal board. Yeah, so this is, if I'm carrying it, there you go, you can see and carry. It's very easy to carry. I don't need 2 hands to carry it. And then this is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you how I actually would use it. So I arrive on stage, just to get an idea of what it looks like. And I've got a little clip here that I open. There you go. It folds open. There you go. And then when I bring it back home, I can store it very easily. It doesn't take a lot of space. I can almost put it in a bookshelf if I want. So basically it's 2 bamboo cutting boards. I put a hinge there, so basically to create the book. And then I attached Velcro using glue, a very strong contact glue, on the bamboo. And then the hinge is now on the back. And then I attached just a foot here and a foot here. So that's basically a stand, so that once I close it up, it can actually fold over and stand up straight. And then I just attached a little jimmy rigged little hinge, or not a hinge, a clasp, just so that I can lock it in when I'm carrying it. There we go. Let me just show you what that's about. There you go. I'm sure you can do something much neater than this, but this will give you an idea just of maybe something you can work with to create your own cool portable foldable board. I would like to figure out a way to get rid of all these wires. That's still the bane of my existence, but yeah, that's currently what I'm using.